Hello dear students of class 8. Today I am going to explain you poem If, which is written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling actually. In this poem actually the poet is talking to his son, and what he is doing, he is teaching his son how can he be successful in life. To be successful we have to fulfill some conditions actually. And what are those conditions the poet is writing in this poem? So let's start reading. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. The first two lines are, in these two lines the poet says, sometimes people around you are not calm actually, they are panicked and they are blaming you for the same. But in that case what you should do, you should keep your head, means you should be calm. So whenever other people are panicked, they are not calm actually, in that case you should not lose your temper, you should be calm. Okay, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. The poet is saying sometimes the people around you doubt you. In that condition you should trust yourself, you should be self confident. Okay, you should be self confident. People think you can't do anything, you can't do any particular thing, but at that time you should have self confidence. You should not listen to the people. If they doubt you, you should not have doubt in you. Okay, but make allowance for their doubting too. With the same the poet is actually saying that whenever people doubt you, you should also check why they are doubting you. Maybe there is any reason, maybe there is any fault, or maybe there is something left which you have to fulfill. So when people doubt you, two things you should follow. You should not be you should not we can say you should not have overconfidence, and moreover you should check why the people are doubting you. Okay, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. The poet is saying you should be patient in life, wait for the things to happen, but you should never be tired by waiting. Okay, you should be patient in life. We say na, slow and steady wins the race, so you should follow the same in your life. Okay, and when people are lying about you, you should not deal in lies. When people are hating you, you should not hate them. Okay, and one thing more, you should not be too good nor talk too wise, means you should have a balanced life. Never show that you know much, never show that you are very intelligent, you are very wise. Never be so good to people. Okay, just be neutral with all. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, the poet says you should never let dreams be your master. Okay, so sometimes we dream, everybody dreams, everybody has a dream to become something, we imagine. Okay, so in that case the dream should not be our master. We should never let the dreams control our mind. Our mind should be in our control. Okay, we should never imagine too much. Okay, and never spend our life in imagination. We should know the reality also, and we should know how to fulfill the dream. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same. Triumph means victory, disaster means failure, and imposter means a person who pretends to be something else. So the poet is saying in our life we meet two kind of imposters. One is triumph and second is disaster. Success also, failure also. And in both cases we should treat both the things same. We should not be over happy when we achieve something, or we should not be so sad when we lose something. Okay, just consider both triumph and disaster, victory and failure same. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves. Twisted means changed, knaves means dishonest people, to make a trap for fools. What is the meaning of these lines actually? To trap for fools and all. Sometimes we pass any statement actually. Okay, we pass any statement, we speak the truth about somebody, but there are some dishonest people who twist the truth and provoke others, they instigate others against us. In that condition we should tolerate this and handle the situation in a right way. Okay, or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out too. Stoop means bend, worn out means rough. So what the poet is saying here, the poet say life actually does not go smoothly. Okay, there are some situations when many things are broken and we face the problem We should face the problem by repairing all those broken things with our rough tools. Means whether we have energy to do the things or not, we should be ready to handle the situation. We should have courage to handle the things, and with all our we can say courage, body, willpower, we should try to repair the broken things. Okay, means whenever we lose something, we should not be discouraged much. We should be ready to handle the situation at any time. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss. Heap means collection. Pitch and toss is a kind of game. So pitch and toss is a game where we keep the things at risk actually. So the poet says you should have a right attitude about losing the things which you have gained. And if you lose something, you should not be discouraged and cry for the loss in front of others. So the poet says we should have a right attitude about losing the things also. Always think that all the things you have achieved are at risk. Anytime you can lose those. So if you have this kind of attitude, if you lose anything, you know then how to feel, how to react in that situation. Okay? And lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss. Means you should not cry for your loss. You should again start from the beginning. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew is a tissue, to serve your long run after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. The poet says you should always force your heart and nerves to help you when you are in need. Actually, a person who can control his mind and heart can control anything. So when there is no hope left in you except your willpower, okay, so you should say to your organs, you should tell your organs, body, heart and mind that you should stand up again and handle the situation. Okay.